is early in the morning. I woke up for one reason only, just to look outside. So we can take a look outside real quick. This is what it looks like in the morning. Yeah, I'm not recording my camera because I have to charge it again. I need to get a new camera because I keep charging that camera almost all the time. And I had that camera for like 4 years, so I need to get a good one, a better one than that. So, yep. This is a look outside. And it's still kind of raining. Freezing rain. Nothing interesting, so. But I think it's like that for the past couple of hours, and I think it's almost over. And tonight we're going to have a hard freeze under 20 degrees. So that'll be interesting. I might do a video of that. I might step outside. Not for this when it gets really cold. I want to see what it feels like, because that might be the coldest day in my life. Let's see if we can look on this window right here. Yeah, it's just a bunch of puddles. It's just pretty cold outside. I think the temperature, I have it on my phone, 28 degrees, freezing rain. That's what it says. Here's a better look out here. Yeah, I just woke up. I'm going to go back to bed. So, I can still feel the cold. The door. But the deck is covered with ice. But yep, no school today, and I did not know until I asked someone, and he said no. So that's a good thing. And here's a look out here. There's actually little icicles on the roof, a little bit. I wonder if any of the roads are closed, like the big roads. Actually, usually the bridges are closed, like the big bridges. I think the Mississippi River Bridge is closed. But, most people should not have work today. But look at the road, you can see, a bunch of weird water and tracks. So really not much has happened. So this may be the only video I'm going to be doing about this freezing rain. I don't know. Oh, what the heck? There's actually a squirrel. I can't zoom in because this camera on the phone is not great. So I only use this for if I want to upload this ASAP. So yeah. Well, probably gonna go back to bed. So yeah. Wow, look at that right there. And this is from the bedroom window, and look at that. So yeah, both of them, the leaves or branches are down. Oh, whoa, 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 look at that. That's our neighbor. He's outside. Uh-oh, he's trying to lift up the garbage bin. That's pretty heavy, even if it's whether if it's heavy or not. There it goes. But yeah, look at that tree. I don't even know what kind of tree that is. But yeah, like during when we had that snow 3 years ago, it was like that. So I guess the freezing rain made the branches go down. How do we make the branches go back up? I guess, I don't know. I guess it goes back up once if it gets warmer. I don't know how these trees work. Well, that's it for now. So, wow, that garbage bin has some icicles. Well, if anything else happens, I guess I'm gonna do another video. Until then, I'm gonna go back to sleep. So, that'll be it.